Today we are going to import some photos into Lightroom and place them in a folder we have created. From any module in Lightroom, go up to File at the top left of the display, and go down to Import Photos and Video. On the Import screen, under Select a Source, navigate to a folder you wish to import your photos from. By default, all photos and videos are checked for import. New photos will show only the photos and videos that have never been imported to Lightroom from this folder before. At the bottom left of the display, we can see how many photos, with how much memory, we have selected. If we hold down the Option key on a Mac, or the Alt key in Windows, the Check All and Uncheck All buttons will change to Check Videos and Uncheck Videos. Whilst holding down the relevant Option or Alt key and clicking on Uncheck Videos, we can deselect all videos from the import. If we go over to File Handling and check on Add to Collection, we can select the folder we wish to add our images to. When we are ready, we can click on Import at the bottom of the display. We will be brought back into the Library module, where the 69 photos that we selected are now imported into our folder. If you import images without selecting a folder to import to, your images can be found under Catalog, in the previous import section. Here you can move them to a folder of your choice. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.